Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on restore number 21 for Todd. He's from Clinton, Mississippi. He's got a 1965 Johnson 9.5 MQ-11C. I've got it in step number 4 of my 10 steps for a full restore. He showed up over here with his lovely wife and his little daughter Lucy, and we tested the compression. It was good, 60 on both sides. Rebuilt the ignition, the carburetor, and I'm in the process of rebuilding the gear case now. I did a test run on it in a barrel. It ran pretty good. So now we're in step 4. Disassembled the entire motor. Got it laid out on my bench here. There's this bracket, all the nuts and bolts. There's the magneto. As I said, I've rebuilt it. Wiring, I kept the coils, they were good. Points and condensers changed. I rebuilt the carb. Got it going good. I got the power head sitting right here, ready to be cleaned. Pressure tested the gear case. The gear oil was milky. I pressure tested and it's got a bad shift boot seal. So I got it taken apart. All the gears look good. Everything looks good on it. I'm gonna change the shift boot, put a new impeller. And after that's done, we're gonna move on to step 5. I'm gonna clean all the parts, and then I'm gonna paint the parts. Step 6. Step 7, I'm gonna put the decals. Step 8, I'm gonna reassemble the motor. Then I'm gonna barrel test it and bayou test it. It's gonna be a good one, Todd. I hope everybody here enjoyed the video, because this is an example of how here at T-Mike's we're doing it one motor at a time. See you on next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.